Today my topic research is preserved renal-allograft function and the PD1 pathway inhibitor Nivolumab. I attend Catholic University Santiago de Guayaquil School, and you can also find me on my social media. First definition. Immunotherapy is the use of drugs to boost a person's immune system to more effectively recognize and destroy cancer cells. Various types of immunotherapy can be used to treat kidney cancer. Applications in medicine. Immune checkpoint inhibitors. An important feature of the immune system is its ability to prevent itself from attacking normal cells in the body. To do this, it uses checkpoints that are proteins in immune cells that need to be activated or deactivated to initiate an immune response. The use of these checkpoints. Sometimes cancer cells use these checkpoints to avoid being attacked by the immune system. Still, these drugs target proteins at checkpoints, helping to restore the immune response against cancer cells. PD1 inhibitors. Pembrolizumab and Nivolumab are drugs that attack PD1, a protein in immune system cells called T cells that normally help prevent these cells from attacking other cells in the body. By blocking PD1, these drugs boost the immune response against kidney cancer cells. This can often decrease the size or slow the growth of some tumors. Pembrolizumab. Pembrolizumab can be used with the targeted therapy drug axitinib as the first treatment for people with advanced kidney cancer. Nivolumab can be used in people whose advanced kidney cancer begins to grow again after targeted therapy drug treatments and has been shown to help people live longer. Pros and cons. Pros. There's a drug that targets PD-L1, a protein related to PD1, that is found in some tumor cells and immune cells. It's called avelumab and functions by blocking PD-L1, and it can help to stimulate the immune response against cancer cells. PD-1 inhibitors can often decrease the size or slow the growth of some tumors. Avelumab can be used with the targeted therapy drug axitinib as the first treatment for people with advanced stage kidney cancer. Cons. Hypoparathyroidism monotherapy and in combination with ipilimumab has been reported. In combination, cardiac burst reactions and pulmonary embolism have been reported. It should be monitored for clinical signs, symptoms, alteration in laboratory values that indicate electrolyte alterations, dehydration prior and periodically during treatment. Should apply in Ecuador. History. As you can see in the picture, there's global life expectancy in Ecuador from 1990 to 2005. The main causes of life years adjusted by disability were mainly due to communicable disease, being the diarrheal disease one of the most important. 2015. By 2015, the non-transmissible disease have already become the main cause of disability to a national level. Now, chronic kidney disease prevails with 10 leading causes of mortality in Ecuador, reaching 4th place according to the most current data. Conclusions. SG analysis according to PD-L1 expression does not provide conclusive data, probably due to the sample size of each subgroup. There were no effects observed on the predictive value of PD-L1 in both groups of treatment. Nivolumab has an acceptable safety profile compared to everolimus. No deaths attributed to Nivolumab during the follow-up of patients in the pivotal study. And finally, the video.
The The role of the immune system is to protect the body from foreign invaders. Normally, the immune system responds to tumor cells as it does to any foreign invader, by destroying them. T cells play a central role in this immune response to cancer. T cells are primed and activated by dendritic cells within the lymph nodes. They can then infiltrate the tumor microenvironment, which is comprised of tumor cells and other tumor-infiltrating immune cells. Here, the activated T cells detect, bind to, and kill tumor cells. Programmed death ligand 1, or PD-L1, is one of the inhibitory ligands that, under normal conditions, help maintain immune homeostasis. However, in many cancers, PD-L1 can help tumor cells evade the immune system, particularly when it is expressed in abundance. This occurs when activated T cells release interferon gamma, leading to overexpression of PD-L1 on both tumor-infiltrating immune cells and tumor cells. PD-L1 interferes with the body's anti-cancer immune response by binding to its receptors, B7-1 and PD-1, on the surface of activated T cells, thereby deactivating the T cell's cytotoxic activity. T cells can also become deactivated when PD-L1 expressed on tumor-infiltrating immune cells binds to B7-1 or PD-1.